Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics, where we teach you basic tutorials on games. And in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you guys can sign in Fortnite. So to do so, you simply need to open up your Epic Games launcher, and after you have done that, this tab will open up. So you can either sign in or sign up. If you already have an account, you can directly sign in, but if you don't have an account, you need to first sign up and create an account. So firstly, enter your email address, and after you have done that, click on continue. After that, it will take you to this site where it will ask you for your password. So enter your password, and after you have done that, the Epic Games launcher will open up, and that's how you sign in. If you have 2FA on and if you are signing in for the first time, it will ask you for a 2FA code in your Gmail or phone number, whichever method you have set up your 2FA. So thank you for watching guys. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. Also, please let us know on the comment section what video you guys want us to cover next, and we will simply do so. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.